Lagos, welcome back. We're still there here for you on Top Women's Corner. If you just join us, we the reason the matter we concern married and single. Why society they advise the women and the women also they advise themselves. They believe in them. Say once they marry, they get the need to cut away from their single friends. We never marry, and I they ask if now it's supposed to be same a norm. We're breaking bias. The guys them where they marry, they cut away from their single married guys. We be their friends. I mean, their single or married friends. We be guys. Is it same? And waiting they bring this thing. Why it be like this? Why it they happen? Give me reason. If you believe, say yes, now waiting supposed to happen. Why? And if you talk, say because maybe the friend's bad, and I'm wondering, so when you date single, you are keeping bad friends. You be no. So you are not a repentant soul. That you don't change. You be a new, all things are passed away now. You need to check yourself. Because I, for one, I say they here now. I don't think saying something where. Because you know your friends, you know the kind of friends where you they keep. Now you understand the if you really they keep friends where they're morally right, friends where they do things where they supposed to do for themselves, where good in the face of God. Do you understand? And now you also they help each other, you they uplift each other. Because I believe in friends holding up each other too. To do the right thing, to thrive in life, to make a better decision in life, to progress in everything where they do. And then you go marry, you feel when you graduate, why you not cut away from them? I'm wondering. So why you still get childhood friends? Why you not drop them? So that means if you pass any stage in life, make you drop the friends where they there. So with people where they get friends where they don't deal with 50 years, 60 years, 70 years. So you not go feel happen again now, because now once you get to a particular stage, you cut away. If you get a particular, you need to leave them. I mean, only for marriage it happen. And if it happen only for marriage, why only marriage? Please, make sense here now. I go on top. I think I go for Twitter at @wazobia_FM. Twitter to us, and make sure say you also tag me at Real Cheche Smith. Put hashtag Women's Corner, and I don't make that post out. Why did they happen? Waiting be the reason. And you personally, you think that's something you go feed do, and if you they do them already, why you do them? I mean, you be there lovey-dovey with these people, and then you marry and pam. You know, go. I even hear one of the caller talk saying, daughter the tell and say, if you call, the person no go pick. I get friends where don't marry, where yes, we should if you see how they play, how they laugh, how they curse each other, say, what's it concern me? What's it concern me with? Even in front of their husbands and their wives. My friends will be guys, and my friends will also be girls. Even in front of their husband, that he get one particular friend of mine will be, he they single. Do you understand? And both of us just they whisk around. They get the ones where they're married. If we mix up, you're not going to even know who marry and who not marry. Because they write down for forehead. I want to understand, because even my friends, you see, some of them, even when I've been there in university, then some of my, because I get all kind of friends on different age category. I get a friend where they're 70-year-old. Now, just clocked 70. I get friends where they're 50. I get the ones where they're 60. I get the ones where they're 20. I mean, my closest friend, they're 40-something. Do you get? So, different category. They learn different things every day. They mix up with different people. They get class of conversations one night they get. And then you go just feel like, say, you don't marry. Then you cut away from. I could really know why. Because I feel like, say, you go just say, box yourself in. And you where they advise your wife, say she might, make she cut away from her single friends. What be your reason? I be they hide mouth. Because it happen. You two will be woman where they tell your husband, make they mix up with in single friends whenever married. What be your reason? Yeah, what be your reason? Please, so go feel learn, okay? Obi-Wane from Austria, is that? Welcome on top of the show. Cheche, God bless you for this talk. Steffi from Denmark, I think you just take a back seat, make you hear what people go talk, right? Cheche, I'm married. Yes, I cut away from marriage because they feel spoil your family. So you not spoil you when you dey single. Please put your name when they write messages, I beg you. Why they not spoil you when you dey single? You see now you get problem, no be them. But they were your friends when you dey single. Did they spoil you? They spoil you. Make sense to me. Cheche is nature. It's not nature because it's not happening to every one of us. Now some people it happen to. So she for come collect husband. Cheche make everybody look straight. Just so husband they hungry and now you want if husband are hungry your own way want collect. Then you know the friends where you get now was Katia friends. If now my husband they hungry my friend, then I was Katia friend now I get. She get hi Chiso married stay at Lekki female friends okay but male friends is a no. Why? Because husband get jealous if you go out with normal guy friend but associate with my female friends more and few of my males even my male friends had to cut me off. If I holler them they will say I know they the same level. Now the kind of friends where you also get and maybe they get that same kind of mentality too. They get that kind of thinking. You understand now? Say it they balance now. Una go down they get that kind of conversation. Okay, we go talk say if you marry, I not go follow you talk again. No, so now your friends, una don't grow with that mentality already. Now why you see I'm reflect back to you. Okay, because at the kind thing, Cheche I beg come down from first rain therefore. Now why I did they made the rain beat me for that first. Made the rain beat me for that first. I know they come down. Now they are going to Cheche sweet. I love when you have conversations like this. And we do our bit. Okay, hi Cheche, rain the fall over here. Seriously, I know. Cheche, the matter scatter. I advise my wife to be friends with her old girlfriends, except the bad ones that I have seen with her bad character, because even those other married ones usually spoil newly married girls' mind by telling them to understand that she and her hobby not equal, that is the marriage is not friendship, so she must pressure the man to bring money always. Also confuse the was Katia advice. See the kind of advice they give. Instead to advise your friend, make she also hustle. Instead to tell her friends about where the business they happen now, where the money they. They get friends where we say, no go come tell me say new business on there for town again. Which kind of friend be that? Friends why they get friends who go holler me for phone say na yeah they happen no. Friends where we say go fit mention my name. When Fair 14 don't arrive, they go mention my name, say call her. That be why you get I know they talk about people who get working friends. So this one's not no follow for friendship. You go tell say him and husband they equal. Say me husband bring money here. Oh, so she should not know how to bring money. This one another matter now. Hi Cheche, I love this conversation. I just they pay attention. Well done, Cheche. I'm single mother, but most of my friends are married women, and they support me a lot. Only that I'm far from them a little. You need to get closer to. You hit the matter on the head, Cheche. I'm the kind of person that my friends, as a single person, are 95% male. And as I got married, they dropped, and I was like, guys, stop. And they said, because I'm married, I was like, what's that? Nigerians mentality or my sister, my outing just reduced because of this their act to Alicia. Okay, well done. Hi Cheche. Now really chick party tire you ba. So say good afternoon, boss lady. Why I go leave my friends if I marry? Share I know the ones who go help me. Well, I don't think it's a good way to reason. So men na their kurukere waka, they make them, they tell their wife to cut off from their single friends. Oh, it's okay. He said, make she for no see and for funny location with babe, can't tell your wife. Stephanie from Miss Solo. Okay. Stephanie said, I have missed you, my lady, the vibranium digger. I'm even digging gold. Now, no, really vibranium. Oh my goodness, I'm digging this resources, mineral, hard, name them. That's what I'm digging these days, darling. I love you. Chiche, I love your topic we're discussing. Don't happen to me. One of my friends married. She can't form for me. No be say I never marry you. Just because I lost my husband, when I noticed the change in her character, I just walk her. Now she can't define me, but I don't move. Maybe they move far. Move very far from that kind of person. Okay. Esther from Yaba, good afternoon. Not only friends, so both SIM card, my sister. Leave that one. We'll come to it later. SIM card, why? So you've been keeping bad friends before you now. So if you get one important friend, we're going to link you up to something. You not going to reach you again now because you don't marry. I don't know what to call this marriage, Seth. Hi, Jesus. I don't know. I don't. You reach me to the laugh, DJ the laugh. I did not understand. This marriage, if very careful though. Cheche, you can't believe it. My colleague that we both work in the same place, stop picking my call since she got married. Maybe she's thinking we are more than in the same level. Now, was Katia the warrior? Tell her, say, now you even then level up. You level up past her without thinking. Hello, Cheche. Truth is a lot of things changes for you as a married woman that turns off your single friends. The mentality changes because marriage self comes with a load of responsibility, which can naturally put a strain on friendship. You can't just help it. You know, if you go club when you dey breastfeed. Stella from Germany. Yes, Stella from Germany. There's a way we prioritize things. When you dey breastfeed, even your friends no go call you out for that kind of movement. Darling, I'm telling you what I know. Your friends no go call you out for that kind of movement. They know. Good friends understand these things. Good friends will even come to... Good friends, they know your routine. That one no come mean say you no go come go out again. Me, you no go beach. You no go go water. We like to meet mommy water sometimes. I no go water. Your life no go end because you marry. I'm so sorry that I'm laughing, but a little bit of humor is Wazobia FM, right? You don't go call end life. You serious past president. Now why even president worry they break salary, they call people for party. I beg. You never go follow people party. And they come back Lagos. I don't chook my make I read messages for WhatsApp. WhatsApp where don't make I go Twitter first. Go here. My Twitter goons. Yes, representing. Okay. Oh, they don't yakpa for here. Say, Aniche. That's only for real too. Only for real too. You talk, say, my dear, if married women should cut off their unmarried friends, that means, say, married men should also do that. But I think it's not wise. The important thing is to make good friends. After all, they know the right marriage for person forehead. I like socializing with people. Only for real too. Thank you. Please follow him for Twitter, guys. Then I get Platson. Platson talk say, African Queen, happy rainy Wednesday. A friend must stick together, be it single or married. Some now, I don't arrive, they cause some. I'm proud of bearing misses. Men don't do that. Samuel Watson. Okay, welcome, darling Samuel. The Wachuku Chini 9 talk say, yes, they cut off because they talk will always be my husband, my children. So many will not even like that. Chinyere from Surulere. It's just a part of waiting. They usually, it's just like some things added. Do you get? Just like you where they're single now. If you even tell me say you want to go do one course. When we start not go figure time to follow you go do again. You go discuss that course with me now. It go make a day jealous. No, now. So if I come, I talk to you about my children, my husband, and then we go on with us. It's us. Now we there inside the friendship. Not be your husband and your children follow there for inside the friendship. We say we need to learn how to prioritize things. Now every day go okay. Why not they carry placard now? My husband, my children, or make it say don't talk to me. I'm married. Beleo married. Hi, Wachuku official _ AB1 talk say, Cheche, I think it's the kind of friends they possess. Some person can do the unthinkable, but thank God for the kind of friends I have. They know me that when they work, I cut them off, period. Yes, I also see you Blessing Biola 5. He said most men believe their wives keeping single friends can break their homes. In which the single friends can connect their wives to other guys or men. That is their belief. Biola from Ilasamaja. Even if your single friends don't connect your wife can connect herself if she want cheat on you. Then the carry person go stream. If the person don't want drink, she should get me now. You go carry person go stream. If the person want drink water, anybody will cheat one cheat. Simple. Nobody they now say, hey, he tempted me. Hey, Pele, tempter. Now you be there for the tempt person. You cheat, God, you cheat. Own your mess up. Own them for yourself. Now you cheat. Now I want you for yourself. See your single friend go introduce your wife into other married. Then your wife could no one marry you before. Maybe not be you being spec. Maybe marry wrong spec. Or maybe when he marry you, you been get 6-pack. Now you don't get big belly. She understand. No be say you born pikin. You know born pikin, no, but you get big belly. You know get fibroid, but you get big belly. You gotta worry other people life. That matter for another day. For inside women's corner, that one never reach. They come. You understand me? So the friends where you they keep for yourself, you already know them. And if you be a man, you believe you too. You cut away from your single friend. You don't get single boys. We be friends. On an association for me too. You don't get single boys for there. I be single men. You cut away from them. Son, something where you know if you do the third up when they do. Now well done. Ayomide Ashiru, to me personally, Auntie Cheche, it's a pride and show off. Okay, on Twitter still we get Chiga for real. She talks say it's not wise, but it depends on the kind of friends. Shao. Okay, as long as I get that person as my friend when I date single, I keep that friend when I date single. Then when I marry, I go come cut off that friend. Something they worry my head. May they check me where. If I won't cut away from you as a friend, I go cut away whether I they married or single or divorced. I go cut away from you. Simple. Based on one or two things, I decide the kind of friends who I want to keep. I think the reason why the society expects married women to cut ties with their single friends is they think those single ladies will be negative influence. He said, I'm married. My husband still keep his single friends. I still keep mine. I don't think there's any reason to leave them because they are not wayward. Some even my childhood friends, I can't cut ties with them because I'm married. They can even help me when in that marriage. Sherry from Yaba. Yes, sometimes if it those your single friends, self, now them go even help you. You need them most. And some of them need you, self. So if you feel like that single friend, they wayward. How about now you go help that single friend, make you know they wayward again? We just they do some certain things where would they do like this. Where God self go the shaking head where he did. I should say God don't tire by now. God bless you, Jerry. Hi, Cheche. It's just a mentality thing. Uche from my papa. He said they believe that they can be negatively influenced. That's they are 2 years old. They go influence them. Your single friend go influence. Check yourself. Your eye been there somewhere before. No be your spec you marry. I they tell you. Hi, boss lady. I'm among those that my ex-husband asked me not to talk to my friends that led him to throw my things out. You not come from somewhere before. If you throw things out, go back to that place where you come from before you check a new place. Live your life. Anybody that will ask you, make you not do something to make you, where they make you happy or keep your sanity or make you become a human being to stand on your own, then the person get a problem. So you not go let them project your own pride, your own insecurity to you. Actually, I'm married, Cheche. I didn't cut off my friends, but the thing is that the distance has made the friendship look somehow. Yes, sometimes, even when you know marry self, friendship go fit change somehow. Maybe based on your location or your job, or work. It affect now. Your work will make you and your friends not gonna get time anymore to do some certain things. But once you get that time, bam. You go just enjoy yourself, flex, do things. Phone there, WhatsApp there. How about when we no get phone, we no get WhatsApp? How they do them? We no survive ni. I bet more level up. Hi, Cheche. I say, man, when you are not married, you go club together, you check women. But now you're married, go to club with your wife or don't go with your single friends anymore. Or you may be tempted to cheat your wife. You don't want. See, you know when you look at the class of people who be billionaires, the way they are mixing up. In their mix self, they get people whenever even marry for them. They get friends whenever marry. So I'm wondering, people get different stages of different friends. Some if it be divorced. Do you understand? Some if it be separated. Some if it be dating. In relationship. Some don't lose their spouse. What are you telling me now? So if your friend lose his spouse, you go say you don't date single, you go leave him. Or if your friend they go through divorce, you go say because you don't get partner again, you go leave him. Hey, society. What I best now we be the society now we as a people. You understand me now? Cheche, listen, do you know that I have a friend that my husband advised me not to follow? Do you know when I start having problem, low-key, I still talk to the friend. Later, it was that friend that showed me the way to big business that start making money. My husband now started apologizing to me that I was sorry to tell me bad things about that, my friend. I could not even listen to him from the beginning. That's life. It happened. At least you learned your own lesson. This is your topic here from experience on this issue of cutting off. Not only all singles are mature enough to go along with their married counterpart. See, whether you like it or not, marriage is a spiritual thing, an overwhelming institution needed. I don't think marriage is overwhelming, darling. It's the problem we attach to this marriage, and then we begin to box ourselves in, and then when we enter, begin to see things where we don't prophesy, things where we don't speak out, and we go they talk say, marriage done bad. The word overwhelming, in what sense? How is it overwhelming? If it is overwhelming to you, then there's a problem. Maybe you need to plan. You need to prioritize. I'm just telling you how it is. It don't need to happen to me before I know how it is. I get married people around me. A whole lot. if you use the word marriage is overwhelming, and I'm wondering, okay, maybe the two partners know they work together to help themselves to get a better home, a better marriage. Maybe go there overwhelming to you when you be the woman, you they come out for house, maybe you get 5 to 9, 9 to 5, I'm sorry. And then until you come back, now they go cook for house. You go there overwhelming. And they even come to that matter. We never even reading all those ones. So you use the word overwhelming. And Kintoya, I'm thinking, it's spiritual and overwhelming. That's the heavenly race we are running now. Make we run and well. Hi, Cheche, how are you? This is a very interesting topic. Can we have part 2? Or maybe. About this matter, there is a high possibility that when a lady marries a man and there's a misunderstanding in a marriage which can be easily solved, she tends to meet her single friends who have little or no knowledge about marriage to advise her. And most of them give the wrong advice due to lack of experience, or therefore they are asked to leave single friends alone. But I'm not in support of leaving the single friends alone. You know this wisdom, anybody figure them, even a child figure them. Wisdom, everybody they exposed to ram, you get them and you go feel use them advise anybody. I don't believe say experience not the best teacher. That is Cheche. I don't know about you. I get so many reasons why I've come to see that I see experience not be best teacher. It gets so many instances where I go feel give. Okay, so but when you believe that your single friends not go give you advice because you're not married, because they are not married, and I'm like, okay, which angle they come from? They are not in relationship, or they've never seen people who don't marry. They are not coming from home where their father and their mother married together. Must they be married before they go tell you the A is A and B is B? Oh, they check sure. Cheche, I love how you answer these questions, darling. We are just, it's life. We just they get conversation, okay? So many messages here for WhatsApp people have fun. I want to read all these things now, but I go pick calls now, because not time for palaver already. Cheche, I love you. I love you too. Hi, Cheche. I am single. Do you know 2 of my married friends they are staying away from me? As you are talking, I just type message and send to them on WhatsApp. I'm waiting for their response. Okay. Let it not go and share it for the other. Hi, look, I just pick 2 calls and then we'll go come on for this matter. Thank you. Hello, Lagos Chukmouth.
Good afternoon, ma.
Hi, good afternoon.
First time caller, ma.
First time caller, welcome. What's be your name?
My name is Ruth.
Okay.
Ma, I've had an experience, like, the whole thing is just so annoying. One of my friends, when she, like, got married, she was like, babe, mind your business. And me and you, like, we know they're the same level. I was like, what's going on? Since you're friends when you are still single, what's that the point of when you get married, you're not telling me that we're not? Auntie Che, right now she they come ask me for money, like, to even feed their kids. Like, I was like, babe, you remember what you said the other time? Well, life they change.
It happen to most of us. That's life. No mind them, go jare.
I think DJ Indo clean the vibes always. Don't say DJ, but you don't be
DJ Hi, darling. Indo and all in crushes. Hello, darling.
Good afternoon.
Off your radio. You want to hear your voice? I'll be off. No worry. Your voice is sweet. Hello? Yes. I'm sorry. We're going to let you go. That line, they break badly. Hello, last caller. Welcome. Hello?
Hello, Cheche.
Hi, darling.
Hello.
I'm here. Good afternoon.
Yeah, how's everything?
Everything is fine.
In fact, I don't try, I don't believe. Which, you know what? Yeah. This thing, I get one friend, we grew up. I sent text message, I noticed you never read that.
Hello?
My girlfriend, we grew up together.
Okay.
I had this ex, he went abroad, you know everything about abroad, can't forget. So all of us just stay, now my friend got married.
Okay.
Her husband said she should stay away from me. Though she dey sneak sometimes, so she go come greet me, call me. But the husband don't want now. That's your friend. She will introduce you. She will do. She said, don't go close to her. I said, now, 2 years later, that guy came unexpectedly. Now we got married and everything was going smoothly and well. During the COVID, things was rough. The man lost his job. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I didn't hear you.
just his job. Now, this same husband now wanted the girl to make his career, meet up, then come my house, come beg me. Thank God I'm not boasting. Things are going fine. Everything was going. In fact, it's going well.
They're not carry placard for marriage again.
The man say, I beg my husband, make him employ him.
Imagine.
Make give him any work.
Don't be a good person, no. Not they give you
I
working
say,
person job.
Sorry. You ask your wife to stay away from me. Now, the same me when go spoil. For my husband now, allow me. I see the club. Me and him go club at times. Our baby will go live am for house. We go leave my baby for house. We go out together. Sometimes we go carry baby. So now, me, I see the rock. I see the club. I see the house. You want hear me? I go spoil your wife.
You be bad person. They go first.
You want
to spoil me for this radio.
Out of pity for my girlfriend, I just say, well, okay. So I just told my husband we raise her some good money, and she started her business and she's doing fine.
Nice.
So now the husband they regret anytime see me go put head down.
No, make you not put head down. Make you agree
well. You don't know where me and this girl from start. You don't know life.
He said make you stay away because he never married.
She stay away from me because I never married. I be single, so I be yeah. You single, not your wife not single before you meet and marry. It must not be the same date when you marry. The other person go marry. Not me say that one no go marry you.
Thank you, darling. This your comment.
Thanks,
very
Cheche. I'm
nice.
So happy to hear your voice. Your sweet voice. I say, oh, you better not say I be woman. No,
40 years, yo.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, darling. I love you. I appreciate you. Okay. Thank you so much.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.